This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to obtain your eBay. To start, open the Shop by Category menu and select the Collectibles and Art option. This will help you navigate directly to the relevant category page for your store. Next, go to the search bar and enter your store name to quickly locate your eBay profile. Click the Previous button if you need to go back and refine your search for better results. Once you find your store, click the link Copied button to copy your store link, and select Share eBay Profile to easily share your store with others. If necessary, open a new tab or switch to your messaging app, such as WhatsApp, to share your copied link. Finally, select your desired chat or project to send your eBay store link directly to your contact. You've now learned how to get and share your eBay store link.